Irribiz was formed back in 2007. Irribiz's main purpose is to provide solutions to the irrigation needs of our clients. Our clients include households that may want to irrigate lawns and gardens, to councils that are looking to irrigate parks and gardens, to our main customer base, which is horticultural farmers that are looking to irrigate citrus, vineyards, nuts. We have approximately 65 staff here in Griffith, but across the group we have 105 employees, locations across Australia including Adelaide, Brisbane, Melbourne, Launceston and Robinvale in Victoria.
Here at Irribiz we have all different positions within the company. They include administration, retail, service technicians, plumbers, welders, electricians.
I started at Irribiz in the retail shop in November of 2014. I was given the opportunity not long after to progress into domestic irrigation design and sales. Now I've progressed into a technical sales support role to support our local sales team.
You can start in your current position but move throughout the company. There are always opportunities within.
Through my time here, I've worked through various different roles within the company, doing accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll and project invoicing. That gave me the opportunity to see the business as a whole and see all the different avenues and how it all comes together at the end, which then brought me to my Human Resources Coordinator role, which I'm currently in now.
After leaving the family farm, I joined Irribiz 14 years ago. I started off doing basic pump and irrigation maintenance, which was an introduction to the irrigation industry. Fortunate enough to then be able to develop my skills through training around hydraulics, electrical and mechanical, which was all in-house and fantastic training. After that, I was given an opportunity to work in the hydroponics industry, which is something that Irribiz also do. And within that hydroponics industry, I got to travel all around Australia.
Throughout their careers at Irribiz, we ensure that training is offered to all employees.
I did a Certificate 4 in HR. It's great to know that your peers and people that you are surrounded by are happy to see you grow and are willing to push you to get to a good place in your career.
Following on from the hydroponics, I moved into a projects and operations manager role for the business, which allowed me to understand more of the financial planning with council, planning with MI on large-scale projects from concept to delivery.
We are a nationwide business and therefore we offer apprenticeships and traineeships throughout all our branches.
Throughout the years, being given many opportunities to travel to different places for training as well as our other branches.
It's absolute joy to come to work and feel like everyone's welcoming and have that environment that you feel comfortable.
I would strongly encourage anybody looking for a career, working with the local community in irrigation, pumping and associated works, which can take them from Griffith around Australia and around the world with great in-house training and really strong mentoring from people that care about what they do. I would encourage you to join us.